Hi, my name is Engin Bereket. I am the export manager of Ankara Teknik company, established in 2009 in Ankara, Turkey, and specialized in production and export of construction materials. Besides distributing our products in our domestic market, we are exporting them to more than 40 countries, to Middle East, North Africa, Far East, CIS countries. Our products are highly appreciated in terms of quality of their raw material, workmanship, and prices. In our production, we have expansion joint profiles, doormats, stair nosings, skirtings, handrails, wall and corner guards, ceramic profiles,